Working around moving machine parts. Moving machine parts can be found throughout aggregate facilities, especially at the plant and on conveyors. Guards, which keep workers from coming into contact with moving machine parts and prevent entanglement, are critical to prevent serious injuries and fatalities. Miners need to know how to properly equip guards and when and how they can be safely removed and when to replace them. Let's take a look at some of the high-risk tasks you may do that involve working around moving machine parts. Conducting maintenance on moving machine parts. Working in an area where you are close to moving machine parts. Troubleshooting equipment where there is exposure to moving machine parts. There are specific critical controls that should be in place when working around moving machine parts. A critical control is a safeguard that is put in place to keep you safe and prevent serious injury or fatality from occurring. All moving machine parts within 7 feet of a walking or working surface must be properly guarded while the machine is being operated. Guards must be constructed so miners cannot find their way around or bypass it. For example, it is not sufficient to use chains to barricade an area with moving machine parts because they can easily be stepped over and bypassed. Prior to working, all guards should be inspected by a competent person to ensure there is no damage and all moving parts are sufficiently guarded. Guards are only to be removed when testing machinery, conducting maintenance, or when being replaced. Always use a lockout-tagout procedure when a guard is removed. For more information on the lockout-tagout process, please refer to the Take Control Working with Electrical or Stored Energy video. Immediately replace and re-secure guards after they have been removed. Be sure guard materials and fastening methods can withstand wear, corrosion, vibration, and shock of normal operation. Be sure guards are installed securely. Make sure that if a drive belt fails inside a guard, that the whipping action of the belt will be contained by the guard. Be sure workers do not walk on, across, or over conveyor belts without the belts being properly locked and tagged out, secured from movement, and proper fall protection being used. Ensure that emergency stop cords are equipped on unguarded conveyors next to travelways. Be sure these stop cords are routinely inspected and maintained in order to keep adequate tension and function. Thank you for taking time to understand the high-risk tasks and critical controls when working around moving machine parts. It's important you remember them as you work on any property.